This is Tony with Bridgenet Communications Technical Support. Today I'll be showing you how to reset and reconfigure your Unifi access point. To begin with, you will want to factory reset your Unifi AP. To do so, twist the AP counterclockwise from its mount on the ceiling, causing the device to come free. Press the reset button on the underside of the device with a paperclip or similar object for 10 seconds. You will notice the device flicker and even change color during this time. After 10 seconds have passed, place the device back on its mount and twist clockwise to secure the device. Warning: as the AP is mounted on the ceiling in most homes, we recommend you exercise caution when attempting to reset the AP. Do not risk your health or well-being to complete this task. Next, you will want to navigate on your tablet or phone to the app or Google Play Store and download the Unifi Network application. Once the application is finished downloading, open the app. For ease of access, we recommend accepting all permissions the program will ask for. Following the permission screen, you will see your AP's 12-digit MAC address. Select your device, and the app will connect to your AP automatically. The app will then ask for you to name the access point. This is not the name of your wireless network and is only used to help you identify your AP in other settings. You may name this device whatever you would like. Next, the app will ask for you to choose a network name or SSID. This is the name of your network and is what you and others will see when connecting to your home wireless network. Following this step, the app will ask for a password. Please choose a secure and comfortable password for your wireless network. We recommend writing this password down so that it can be located again in the future as needed. Lastly, you will see an option labeled Advanced Settings. This houses the merged network settings. Your AP is designed to work seamlessly between both 2.4 and 5G networks. Some devices, however, do not work properly with seamless handoff, in which case you will want to select the option to separate the 2.4 and 5G networks. For most residents, we recommend you not separate the networks for your own ease of use. This setting can be changed again later if needed. Following these steps, the app will finish setting up your AP and prompt you to join your new wireless network. From the AP's MAC address, you can find advanced options underneath the Configure tab. Your device is now connected and ready for use. You can connect the devices in your home to your wireless network using the credentials you created.